Hey guys, so this is me in Sarajevo, and what you're seeing behind me is pretty neat. No idea what it's called. As it turns out, this is a pretty interesting place. I know we got some cars in the background. I'll try to make this short. Unlike most cities, or bigger cities anyway, which are kind of round and with circles of road around them, Sarajevo stretches along a big river, and so it's probably the longest, or at least the most oblong city I've ever been in. I live in the far east end, pretty cool place next to the old Turkish area, which is the historical center, I think. What's really interesting about this place also is that it's like a compound city of 3 different cities. It's got this whole Turkish Muslim kind of area. Then it's got the Austro-Roman area, I think. Austro-Roman, Austro whatever. Which is like in the middle of things. And then at the far west end, you got the old communist area. So it's like 3 different cities in one. It's pretty interesting, pretty unique. I've never been in a place like this. Anyway, apart from that, it's got some beautiful scenery, nature-wise, as you can see. So is it worth a visit? Abso-fucking-lutely. It's got some great clubs as well. I went to the only rock club in Sarajevo yesterday, to my beknownst anyway, which just so happened to be metal night. So I'm a bit hungover today, actually. So better be fucking grateful for this video. Apart from that, local beer is okay. They got some great rakia. Got some really yummy food as well. There's gonna be an article at some point, so stay tuned.